Today I am going to make a broccoli kadhi pakoda. Broccoli is a super food. It's great for anti-aging. Studies have shown that broccoli decreases the risk of obesity, diabetes and heart diseases. So let's begin. Here our broccoli and potatoes. I have to boil it first. Leave it for 10 minutes to boil. Let's check now. I think it's ready now. Make a paste by mixing it in a mixer. See our mixture. Let's start frying now. Put a 200 grams of oil in a pan. Before that, we have to make our mixture. Here I am taking half cup of gram flour, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala, Himalaya salt water, chopped onions, water. Mix well enough to mix with each other. Now our mixture is ready. So let's start frying now. Have a fry on a low flame until it turns brown. Fry it well. Now turn it on the other side. Now it's starting to become browny. Wow, yummy! This pakoda is not just a taste, it's also very healthy. Now our pakodas are ready, so let's make our curd batter. Take a 1 cup clarified butter. In this I am going to add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt water. Mix it well. Two tablespoons gram flour and whisk it up. Add water. Our batter is ready now. Now put some oil in a pan. Let's add some fenugreek seeds, little bit of asafoetida or heeng. Let it fry. Now add our mixture and boil it for around 30-35 minutes. Now it's getting boiled and it's the perfect time to put a pakodas now. Put some oil in a pan. Let's add some mustard seeds, some coriander seeds, Carom Seeds, AJWAIN, curry leaves, red chillies, chopped onions, it looks so yummy. Guys, now I am going to have some rice with this kadhi pakoda. So you must try this recipe and please subscribe and share this video.